Alright, old Mac is in the car. Look at him, he's excited. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Who's a happy car TV? I am Miss Callie. Now turn on your headlights, you moron. You didn't say that line. Oh, that's right. That was that Peterbilt. Alright, that's where we're going to drop you off. Craig's TV. Craig's TV electric service. See, Craig's TV, television, electronic service. Yes, we're open. We were open yesterday. Who's excited? Who's excited? Yeah, girl, you excited to get all fixed up again? Yes, yes, yes. Let me get out and get you in there, alright? Yes, yes. Seriously, how much do you think this is going to cost me? I don't know. Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Alright, the power supply circuit was bad. Alright, power circuit. Alright, and the part was $45, and the labor and everything. Labor was $110. It made it $155, but I already paid like a diagnostic fee of $25. So in order to pick it up, it was $132.70. Okay, let's see your TV. Oh, Bart's gonna be chuffed when he gets home. Right, let's carry it back in there. I'll catch all you cool cats and kittens back here another day. These Callie reborn cats and nonsense. Don't you just love it when you get your things prepared instead of trashing them? Yes. Look at that. Bart's got his TV back. Look how happy he is. You happy, Bart? He says he's awesome and happy. Alright, we need dust in here. Look at that Sega Genesis covered in dust. You need to spring clean, Bart. But there she is. I mean, he is. Sorry, she. There he is. He's all back where he belongs. Oh my gosh, Bart. Are you excited? Yeah, I know. Yeah.